Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you've had a great weekend. So I'll be honest, this video I have been pushing back further and further, and I'm about to get charged, so I need to just do this video. As you already know, I am going to be opening my Stitch Fix and I am going to do a try-on. I've been really putting this off because I'm a little self-conscious. You know, I've been talking about how I'm trying to lose some weight, and also last time I did one of these videos, you know, I didn't get too nice of comments. Well, there's like only one bad comment, but of course I remember like everything bad. So yeah, I've been kind of putting it off, but then I was like, you know what, I should just film it. Like, I know a lot of people have like average type bodies like me too. We're not all perfect. You know, we like to eat and we're happy, healthy, whatever, who cares? So I'm going to see what I got this month, and then I will do a try-on. If you do not know what Stitch Fix is, it is a personalized styling service. You pay $20 per fix. It doesn't have to be every month. You can choose the frequency. It can be way less frequent if you prefer. And that $20 that you pay for, that's considered the styling fee. And if you decide to keep any of the items you get, and you get 5 items each time you get a fix, that $20 is applied to your purchases. And if you keep all 5 items, you get like 25% off, I believe. So that is a huge perk if you like everything you've got. And if you guys have not yet used Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link that will give you $25 credit. So if you have been considering it, definitely use that. I did that when I signed up, and that is very helpful. When you sign up, you do like a style profile. You tell them all about your needs, your sizes, and all of that. You can tell them what kind of items you like. Like I told them I wear mostly dresses and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really awesome. And you get to rate all the clothing and stuff. You also get to choose your pricing preferences. I think I forgot to add that. But yeah, after you get everything, you get to rate your items, and you even get to choose if you want to keep your same stylist or not. Like if you really were unhappy with your fix, like you can choose to get someone else to style it. I would say like make sure you rate everything. Sometimes your first fix won't be the most amazing, but it just keeps getting better if you give good feedback. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's see what I received this month. When I open it up, this is what I see. Sorry, I'm like so far away. I'm just like preparing to move this desk in front of me and try everything. But anyway, so there is a piece of paper here that says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And inside it talks about all of the items along with the pricing. So I'll refer to this as we go along. There's also a mailer bag, so anything you don't keep, there is a pre-paid label, so you don't have to pay for shipping back, and this bag's huge and will fit everything, so that is super awesome perk. And then there's another card that says "Take a peek," and it shows you what items you got with some styling tips. And there is a note from my stylist as well, so I will read that. Hello Kitty, happy fix day. I'm sorry to see the fit was off in our last delivery together. I hope that today's shipment is much more fitting for your wardrobe. I focused on sending you a full fix of dresses. And then it talks about the items. I don't want to get too detailed into it. I want to actually like look at them first. Looks like I did receive a jewelry item. I don't really love receiving jewelry items just because I get some jewelry subscriptions, you know, and I don't really need it. So let's start with the piece of jewelry. So, comes in this box here. Can't even tell if you could see it or not. Oh, this actually is pretty. It's a necklace. This is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm totally in my pajamas right now. I figured since I'm trying on clothes, I didn't need to get dressed up. This is really pretty. There's like some blue gemstones around it. It's like a choker style. Let's see how much it costs. I'm not sure if I would keep it. Yeah, this is the Bancroft Eliza Filigree Teardrop Necklace, and it is $34. So it is very pretty, but let's see what clothes we got. The clothes are always wrapped up super nicely in this bag. You can kind of get a peek of everything in there. I'm just kind of moving around to get this. Oh, I just heard my cats fighting. They're so bad. Oh wow, this dress has like stars on it and everything. If you guys can't see it well now, like I said, I will be trying it all on. This is actually pretty cute. So there's like star print on it. It's a V-neck. Cool, it says no wrinkles, stretchy, machine wash. This is by Leota. I have some Leota dresses actually, and I really like them. So this is the Leota Anika knit faux wrap dress, and this is $88. That's a little pricey. My budget isn't very large right now, so, but if I love something, you know, we'll see. Ooh, I love the print of this one. This is a floral dress. You guys have to let me know what you like too in the comment section, and be nice to me, please. The other day I got this email from someone about like how I dress and stuff, and I just want to go off on it so bad, but I'm not because I'm a subscriber. But if you're watching this, don't leave a comment. I don't care what you think. But this is super cute. I like this one. Who's this by? This is by Kaylee. Let's see. So this is the Kaylee Amandine knit dress, and this is $48. This is more my budget. Hopefully this works. This is like a shorter dress, so I like that floral print as well, and it seems super comfy. And then what is this? So this is like a sleeveless dress. This is actually really cute. This also has a floral print. Who's this by? Nine Britain. This is the Nine Britain Abigail brushed knit midi dress, and this is $54. So let's try that on. And then the last dress, this looks like a more fancy dress. I don't really wear lace too often these days, but let's see. Definitely a cute color. This is like navy. This is definitely cute. Like the top is a little bit see-through, shorter dress. If I had like a wedding to go to or something, this would be perfect. This is the Kenzie dress, the Mira lace dress, and this is $78. So the total of all 5 together is $302. If I buy all, I get the 25% discount, and that's $75.50 off. So the total would be $226.50. So yeah, all right. So I am going to start trying these on. Okay guys, so I have on that first dress, the one that was, I think it was like $88, and I really like it. Let me see. So yeah, this is the Leota Anika knit faux wrap dress, and this is, well, yeah, it is $88. So there's like one side that has ruffles, and it's like faux wrap. So there's this little tie here, and you can see it has this like pretty star like print, and I like it. Here, let me see. I'll move my camera back a little bit so you could see like where it hits. So it hits like right at my knees, if you guys could see that. Sorry if you see like a big mess behind me. Yeah, I like this dress. I think it'd be like fun for like a night out or whatever. And this, I like how there's a ruffle on just one side. I don't know, you guys have to give me your thoughts, but I'm gonna put on the second dress. Hey guys, this is the second dress, and this is the one that's like half the price of the first. This is $44. I think I like this one too. It's very comfortable. This one also hits like around the knees. Has this pretty floral print. Like, it's not too tight anywhere. You know, I kind of, all these kind of show off my boobs, but can't really help that, to be honest. But yeah, I think I like this one. By the way, I'm taking pictures on my Instagram and putting up polls right now. I used to do that a while ago, and I'm gonna start doing that again. Okay, so here is the third dress. I like this too. This is day dress. I like everything. So this one's a little higher cut, which I think sometimes is weird. But it like has a little cinch right here, which is nice because it kind of like covers your tummy, and there's like a slit. So sorry, just flashed some thigh. This one goes a little bit longer. You can see like there's a slit right here, and then it goes longer. So it's very comfortable material. How much was this one? So this is the $54 dress. Okay, so I'm all alone here, so I'm having trouble like zippering this one up. I don't think I want to keep it anyways. I mean, it's pretty, like, see the pretty lace detail and everything. Like, if I had something to go to, and the arms aren't like too tight or anything, which is good. Sometimes with these things they are. And this one also hits like right here. Archer, are you crying? So yeah. So that is everything, you guys. You have to let me know what your thoughts are. And if you like this type of try on video, please don't be too mean, but definitely let me know what you like, and if you're interested, use that $25 off code. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye.